Hey guys, welcome back to Motorcycle Maintenance Channel. Today on this episode we're going to show you how to do the rear slider spools on an R6 motorcycle. First thing we need to do to install this two-piece spool slider, and I say that because there's two pieces. Some of them are three-piece spool sliders, which just means there's three pieces. Nothing fancy there. We take our little washer that came with it and we put it through there. And we're going to use this bolt because they're universal, so we got a bolt that works with it. And the nice little red accent matches the bike. What makes these different from regular spools is that they're a little bit longer, which means it provides a little bit more protection in case there's an off or you go down, you don't scratch up your swing arm. So it's good. I like to get the spool sliders. If you're going to get spools at all, why not get them a little longer to actually protect you in the case of a fall. So they go down here. The bike's already come pre-machined with a hole right here, and we're just going to screw them in. And the good thing about spools and spool sliders in general is that once you have them in, it makes it real easy to lift up the bike with just about any jack stand. So for us to continue to work on this bike in the future, it is also nice to have these so that we can jack up the rear wheel. Yeah, it's on there hand tight. Tightened there, and that's it. That's how you install a spool slider. The same operation is going to go on the hole that's provided by Yamaha on the other side. No need to show you guys that because I think you got it off of this one right here. Thanks guys, stay tuned, stay out of the grease.